Welcome to Fun with Friends with Miss Judith. I'm so glad you're here today. Let's go ahead and sing our hello song. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come in and play. We're glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We're glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Friends, one of the first things we do when we're together is check the weather. And when we check the weather, we look up high at the sky and we investigate and we think, is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it raining? Is it snowing? Or is it windy? In just a moment, I'm going to ask you to go look out a window where you are and look high up at the sky and check the weather. But first, let's go ahead and sing our weather song. What, oh, what is the weather? What, oh, what is the weather? What, oh, what is the weather? What is the weather today? Friends, I hope you're ready to go check the weather out your window. I'm going to check the weather out my window. I'll count to 10 and ask you to come back and tell me what your weather is. Are you ready? Go check your weather. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on back, friends. Did you check your weather? If you did, you can go ahead and tell me now. I'm listening. Oh, friends, the weather where I am today is sunny. I hope you have some sun in your day. Friends, I have a song for us today about dump trucks. It's a fun one and there's some hand motions, so I hope you can sing it with me and do the motions too. Are you ready? I am. See the dump truck going slow. It must have a great big load full of dirt or maybe rocks. Working hard, it never stops. See the dump truck going slow. It must have a great big load. Friends, let's go ahead and sing that again. See the dump truck going slow. It must have a great big load full of dirt or maybe rocks. Working hard, it never stops. See the dump truck going slow. It must have a great big load. Friends, it's story time. So let's go ahead and sing our story time song. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum. We fold our legs so neatly, we hold our hands so sweetly, we listen so completely. It's story time right now. Ba-da-ba-bum, 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 ba-da-ba-bum. Friends, our story today is construction site mission demolition. I wonder what will happen in this story. It is written by Sherry Rinker and Ag Ford. Where a building's old and crumbling, 5 big trucks all roll up rumbling. The sign says, "Danger, stop, keep out!" But bulldozer gives a thunderous shout. Gates open wide and trucks roll in. They're revved and ready to begin. Mighty Flatbed joins the crew. She brings skid steer and loader too. That rickety building has to go. They'll wreck it, rip it, blow by blow. They can't wait to get underway. This is Demolition Day. Crane truck standing firm and tall swings a giant wrecking ball. His aim is steady, sure and straight. He hits his target with the weight. Kaboom! Concrete sails everywhere. Clouds of dust shoot through the air. Crane sets up for another hit, and beams and pipes and chimneys split. He bashes through a concrete wall and leaves a hole 50 feet tall. Now with his hook, crane truck will start sorting rubble part by part. With nice neat piles, there's no doubt that nothing good will get thrown out. Metal, concrete, steel, and wood, they'll be recycled like they should. Now, excavator takes the lead. His bucket rams a wall full speed. Smash! With each crash, each mighty thrust, concrete and glass explode to dust. He switches gears and turns around and sets his bucket on the ground. Now a grapple helps him grip, to tear and pull, to bite and rip. Rebar torn out without trouble, concrete and steel turned to rubble. Now everything gets sifted through to be reused for something new. Dump truck and flatbed working hard are hauling huge loads from the yard. Honk, honk, roar! Everybody does their share to clear the site, to make it bare. Crushing as he rolls along, mash! Front end loaders big and strong, rubble mashed beneath his weight, compacts as he rolls strong and straight. He lifts up giant chunks he's found and smashes them onto the ground. Back and forth he never quits till everything is bashed to bits. He hauls away the cracked debris and separates it carefully, sorting metal, brick, and pipe, and then it's all saved to be used again. Little skid steer runs and races through the site and in tight places. Her breaker bit can shatter rock. Her grapple pulls down cinder block. Her bucket helps her dig and haul. Her big blade can push through it all. Vroom! She revs up, she rolls, she bashes. She busts a wall and thud! It crashes. The crew batters, shatters, shakes, destroys. The air is filled with smoke and noise. Crumble, crash, and just like that, the big old building is now flat. A dust cloud rises, falls, then clears. The building's down. The whole team cheers. Hooray! Woohoo! Yay! Now the crew works as a team to get the site all clear and clean. They haul materials away to be reused another day. Then big bulldozer rolls around. He levels land and clears the ground. Vroom! Cement mixer pours some new concrete. Shh! The site is clean, all fresh and neat. They've all worked hard to clear the space, so something new can take its place. The day is finished, job well done. Demo day was tough but fun. The tired trucks have done their best, and now it's time to get some rest. Tomorrow, there's more work to do. They'll start building something new. Now they'll dream of engines rumbling, wheels turning, rubble tumbling. They'll dream about tomorrow too, the dirt and noise, the jobs they'll do, of friends and work and all that's right. Another good day. Now, good night. Friends, I know you've seen the pattern on the board next to me. Let's go ahead and investigate it and see what comes next. Let's look. Do you see what they are? They're dump trucks. Let's look at the colors. We have a yellow, orange, orange. 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 Oh, friends, I see the part that repeats. It's the yellow, orange, orange. That repeats. That's our pattern. I wonder if you know what comes next. If you do, you can go ahead and tell me now. I'm listening. Ooh, let's look. Did you say yellow? That's what it is. Friends, do you know what comes next? If you do, you can tell me now. I'm listening. Let's look. Did you say orange? That's what it is. Oh, friends, we need one more piece to complete our pattern today. Do you know what it is? If you do, you can tell me now. I'm listening. Oh, let's see. Did you say orange? That is the piece we need to complete our pattern today. Friends, thank you for helping me with our dump truck pattern. Friend, let's count the item on our board today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Friends, there are 21 dump trucks on our board. I wonder if you know how to write the number 21. I do. If you know, you can go ahead and write it with me. If you don't, you can watch me write it and then practice at a later time. 21. 20. When I hear 20, I know that there is a 2 in the tens place. So let's write our 2. 21. Do you hear that? 1. That's the number 1. 21. That means a 1 goes in our ones place. Friends, 2, 1, 21. That's how you write it. Friends, I have a song about a cement mixer for us to sing. You're going to need your arms and your hands, so I hope you're ready to sing with me. Let's do it. The cement mixer comes, the cement mixer comes, with a rumble, 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 rub, rumble, rumble, rub. Shovel in the sand, shovel in the sand with a rumble, 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 rub, rumble, rumble, rub. Add the cement, add the cement, with a rumble, 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 rub, rumble, rumble, rub. Mix in the water, mix in the water with a rumble, 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 rub, rumble, rumble, rub. Keep the mixer turning, keep the mixer turning, keep the mixer turning, or the concrete will get hard. Friends, let's sort some vehicles. You'll see there are some cars, some trucks, and some construction vehicles. We're going to place the construction vehicles in the sand. So let's go ahead and take a look and see which ones should go in the sand. Friends, here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? I think it is. Let's put it in the sand. Here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? No, it's a truck. Here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? No, it's a car. Here's a vehicle. Ooh, is it a construction vehicle? Yes, let's put it in the sand. Here's a vehicle. Construction? No, truck. Here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? Oh yes, it's a cement mixer, just like our song. Let's put it in the sand. Here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? Yes, it is. Let's put it in the sand. Here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? It's yellow, like some of them, but it's a car. Not in the sand. Here's a vehicle. Ooh, it's yellow. Is it a construction vehicle? It is. Let's put it in the sand. Here's a vehicle. Construction? It's a truck. Here's a vehicle. Construction? No, it's a car. Here's a vehicle. Is it a construction vehicle? No, it's a car. Here's the last vehicle on our table, friends. Is it a construction vehicle? Does it go in the sand? No, it's a truck. Ooh, friends, we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 construction vehicles. Thanks for helping me sort. Friends, thanks for joining me today on Fun with Friends with Miss Judith. I'm glad you came. Let's go ahead and sing our goodbye song. Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. I sure hope that you had fun. Tomorrow is another day. You will run and laugh and play. Goodbye, goodbye, everyone. I sure hope that you had fun. Goodbye, friends. See you next time.